In this lesson, we're going to review the formula text formula. The formula text formula is a formula that's used to return the formula as text, as it suggests. So if you've got a string of formula that's used as an equation within a cell, you can use the formula text formula and it'll actually write out that formula so you can visualize it and then repeat it. So let's take a look at how the formula works and then jump into an example. Well, the formula is actually pretty simple. It's just equals formula text, open parentheses, and then you select the reference cell that you want to perform the analysis on. So in our example, a financial analyst has obtained a compensation sheet from the HR department. He wants to print out the document for an upcoming management meeting and be able to easily explain how the fully loaded salary is calculated for financial modeling purposes in the company's budget. So let's say that analyst is going to a meeting. He just wants a quick way to be able to explain to management how the fully loaded calculation is being performed. And if he doesn't write it out, he fears that he may not be able to explain it within the meeting. And if you print out an Excel file, it's not going to print out the formula, it's going to print out the hard numbers. So by using the formula text field beside the data, he'll be able to see how the formula is being calculated and reiterate that to management. So in our solution, we can see the results in cells N29 through N40. If we open up the fully loaded calculation in cell M29, for instance, we can see how the calculation is being performed. It's equal to the base salary, D29, plus the housing rent allowance, E29, plus the travel allowance, F29, plus medical allowance, G29, minus the deduction of $1,000, the advance adjustment of $500, and the taxes of $2,000 in J29. And then all of that is multiplied by 1 plus an overhead rate of 42%. And that gives us our fully loaded cost associated with an employee, in this case, Sabir, and that equals $17,750. So if this table was brought to management and just printed out, it's not very clear how that $17,750 is being calculated, but we can use the formula text formula right next to it in cell N29, and that'll tell us exactly how the fully loaded calculation is being performed. The only thing that we need to do is type equals formula text, then reference the cell in question, which is M29, press enter, and it'll actually tell us in written format how the formula is being calculated. If we drag that down, it'll tell us how the formula is being performed for all of the fully loaded calculations for each staff member in column M, and it'll represent that information and clarify that information for us in column N. So this is just a very useful formula if you want to portray the data behind a formula in a text written format, particularly if you want to print it out or just make reference to it within a sheet. Let's say you're sending it off to someone for review, for audit, or just for management review, and you just want to call out and show them how something is being calculated without them having to drill down into a cell. Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.